All right, back out here again tonight on day 3. It's been a long day. Looks like 10 o'clock right now. Gonna put in 3 more miles, 5K before the night ends. It's been a super busy day, trying to get everything done. Got some upgrades for the garage. Should be able to show you all tomorrow after I get it all set up. Well, watch this died. Good thing I got Strava open on my phone. No, I hit the halfway point so I can turn back. Halfway. Time to head back. Like usual, focus on my runs are for heart rate training, not just getting miles on my legs. Try to use the 80-20 rule. 80% of all your runs should be in that zone 2 or 3. Currently, my Apple Health app is showing that my VO2 max is below average. I'll post a little screenshot of pretty much the past 30 days of me working in zone 2 and how it's been improving my VO2. It's gonna hurt, it's gonna suck, but you need to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. And the sooner you can do that, the more you'll be able to accomplish. Alright, wraps up day 3. Jupiter says that y'all gotta pay the puppy tax by liking and subscribing. See y'all in the morning.